Hi, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. I'm Jules Yahya from osprovsoftware.com. We help organization automate their manual processes using our easy-to-use, handy process automation software, OSPROV. All right, so let's move on to the tutorial. It's already episode 14 for our web programming with Laravel. So now I'm going to just continue with our project. So I think there's no longer a specific topic that we're going to cover in this because our main goal is just to develop the application from scratch. So we're doing it bit by bit, episode by episode. So yeah, that's it. Let's move on without wasting any more time. Alright, so this is my website. Sorry, this is the OSPA website, but yeah, this is our application. Okay, so what are we going to do today? So, okay, I think first thing maybe I need to replace the front here, but never mind. Let's look at that later on. Okay, let's just, okay, this one I'm going to change this one. I don't want this logo. So this page is a login page. So let's zoom in into our application. Okay, the first thing when we look at this route, this is what we call routing. So this one is a login routing. So let's go to our web. Okay, there's no login under here because most likely it's using this middleware sanctum. So it's already the what we call magic. You can call it magic. In Laravel there's some magic lah, meaning that once you install the package, everything just works. So if you want to dig down and see where is it, so let's just look into the structure or the folder. I think maybe it's under action. Yeah, maybe 45. Okay, create new user, but that one is not that. Is this the use controller? No. Okay, maybe okay, let's look back. Okay, we see here. Okay, we have the welcome, return view welcome. So it opens the view welcome. So where is the view welcome? Yeah, this one. Right, so yeah, this is the front page here. Not this one, it's this front page. So let's look at the link. It's going to the login link. Okay, let's just study the code a bit. Yeah, it's using the route login. So okay, if nothing works, just let's run our console. If we still couldn't find it, let's open our console. Let's do a PHP artisan route list. Okay, let's go to our folder. PHP artisan route list. I'm going to pipe a more here because I want to see it. If it's a lot, I want to see one by one. API users, Laravel, forget password. No, not. Laravel 45. See, as I mentioned, it's using a controller there. It's using controller authenticated session controller. So let's look back. Login here. So 45. Go back to our 45. It's not under here. So where could it be? If nothing works, let's just read the manual. Laravel Jetstream. Yeah. Okay, let's go to this Laravel views maybe. Views do yeah. Okay, yeah, this is the default. This is how you can customize the view rendering. Return view auto login. Sometimes you may wish to Jetstream provider. Jetstream provider. Okay, so it's this off login. So let's open it. Look at the under here, yeah, the views. Okay, it's here, right? Yeah. So where is the logo? Okay, this look like the familiar blade. Okay, here it is. XJet authentication card logo. XJet button. So I think it's using StreamJet. Sorry, Jetstream. Yeah. Where is it? Let's look at it. Authentication card logo. Slot name logo. Email password. Let me just change this one just to see whether it works or not. Testing. Are we changing the right thing? Let's look. Okay, it works. Okay, but here, notice that this one is not Inertia because it's not using VueJS. So that's that. Okay, so maybe we need to look at the login layout. Maybe it's under layout, or maybe not. XJet. What does it mean by XJet? So let's read the manual first. Let's look at the views. Spotify login view. Sometimes you may wish to customize all of the authentication. Maybe customize using. Okay. So let's look back. Available stacks. So I think it might be using the other one. It's not Inertia. It's Livewire, I guess. This one is another stack, is it? Yeah. Tulis yeah. See, XJet confirmation model. So where could it be? XJet authentication card. Okay, most likely it's under vendor. So let's look inside here. It's not InertiaJs. So it's under let's look back. This one is under authentication. Laravel Jetstream automatic scaffolder login. The template are written in Blade and do not use a JavaScript framework. Okay, yeah, that's one thing. It's using. You choose this template are written in Blade. Under the hood, the blah blah blah. Views. Regardless of the stack chosen for your web authentication, the views are stored in resources. Views are directly and are Blade templates. You are free to customize the styling. Okay, never mind. Let's remove this and replace it with our logo. So this one is a normal Blade, so I'm going to just use assets, images, logo.png. I think this should work. Let's run it. Call to undefined function as set. Okay, maybe not as. Hi Ikram, thank you for sharing the stream. Oh, okay. Thank you for liking the stream. Welcome to our PHP Laravel tutorial. We are building application from scratch. So this is our 14th episode now. Yeah, okay, but it's too big. So let's Let's reduce the width a bit, maybe 200. Let's just see. Yeah, maybe a little bit smaller. Maybe 100 should do it. Hello Zaman, thank you for liking the stream. Okay, sama-sama. Terima kasih. Alright. Untuk siapa yang baru join, hari ni kita nak buat tutorial. Ini dah episod ke-14. Jadi kita akan buat aplikasi daripada scratch lah, daripada mula. Jadi ni saya dah install banyak benda lah. Sekarang ni dah tinggal nak customizekan lah. Ikut ni saya nak buat balik aplikasi ni. Kita pernah develop dulu e-hirat, but this one is in Ruby on Rails, dalam Ruby on Rails. Jadi saya nak migrate lah, sebab Ruby on Rails sekarang ni dulu tak ada, zaman tu tak ada framework Laravel lagi waktu kita buat benda ni lah. Awal dulu tahun 2000 cerita dia 2012 kita buat benda ni, e-hirat ni. Kita guna waktu tu platform framework yang terbaik waktu tu Ruby on Rails. Tak ada lagi, Laravel ni tak wujud lagi. Jadi kita buat guna tu lah. Tapi sekarang sebab dah makin lama, dah banyak dah yang canggih kan. So sekarang PHP Laravel kita tengok paling sesuai lah. Sebab first developer pun dalam Malaysia ni ramai. PHP Laravel adalah a few. Dan PHP ni Malaysia memang terkenal lah PHP. Macam Ruby on Rails ni tak ramai sangat developer yang tahu Ruby on Rails, Ruby. So that's why kita choose nak migrate yang this one into Laravel lah. So jadi tutorial ni saya akan try buat benda ni balik semula lah. Semua ni kembali masuk dalam guna Laravel lah. So kita start one by one. Ni buat awal lagi, masih login page lagi ni. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, kita dah tukar logo ini. We already change the logo. So let's move on. Okay, dashboard members. Okay, semalam kita, okay, we already have, this is the user page. It's going to display a list of users. Okay, kita nak dia display user kan. Okay, we want it to display user. So let's open back our code. Okay, tutup semua. We close all the, okay, here. So this is our controller. Okay, maybe we can, let's import the model. Use app model user. Okay, kita nak ambil user. So let's create something. User. Hi Zeven Azhar, thank you for liking the stream. Welcome to the stream. Okay, user, kita nak ambil semua user lah. So all je lah dulu. User all. Okay, sekarang kita just nak tengok dulu whether we will get the data or not. So let's just DD a shortcut where you can you can display the variable lah if you want. So let's just run this. Wait, syntax error. Mana pula? Oh, okay, sorry. Ada 2 titik. Class app model users not found. Tak boleh. We have under models. Oh, sorry. Lupalah ada S. Okay, this is a normal mistake that you might make lah during development. You might miss a S. Okay, yeah. So we have here app model. Okay, so the information is here. Name, email, password. Okay, so now we want to pass this into our inertia. Oh, sorry, why did I delete that? Alright, so remove this one. Okay, okay, I'm going to try something here. Let's see whether it's working or not. Okay, this one is what we call dependency injection. So let me try whether we can do this. Because we need to define it in our routing. So let's just try this first, whether it's work or not. If work, then we can just use this. Unexpected. Unexpected. Ah, shoot. Oh yeah, still work. So you can use the dependency injection lah. So I can skip this lah. Unless I have a I want to do filtering and all that, then I still use this one lah. But for now, because mine is later on maybe I need to do filtering lah. But right now I'm just getting all. Later on we will refactor this. Then we remove from this dependency injection. We put it into here. What it means by dependency injection is that you hi Amira, thank you for liking the stream. What they're using the dependency injection is that Laravel will automatically create this instance for us when running this method, and then we can just use it as normal lah. So this is another way where you can run the dependency injection. Will run it lah. Okay, this is a shortcut lah, meaning that you don't have to do you jimat satu line lah. You will save one row. Okay, so now I want to see how I can pass from inertia value. So let's look at okay, let's look at the manual. Views, yeah, profile management. Does it explain here? Views. Let me check here. Maybe under inertia. Blah blah. Live wire. Okay, this it doesn't explain here how we can pass it. Let's look at InertiaJs help page. Return in here. Oh, okay, render here. We do use this, something like this. Okay, let's look at the routing. Inertia. Okay, we just we just use something like this. Available client side as JSON. Generate UI. So we're going to use the server side lah. You have another option in the client side, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use this one. So users index. Okay, it's as simple as that. So give it a name, users. I'm going to remove this dependency injection because we need fine grained control here. Also, I'm going to name it correctly lah, like users. So let's clean this up a bit. String users. Okay, so let's create it under our application layer. I have my dashboard. I have this index. Okay, so how am I going to do looping? So we're going to use some looping using VueJS. So it's a slightly a bit different lah. So okay, let's put here maybe. Going to have like a div here, and then I can do something like this. v4 equals to user in users. Okay, this is just the way that we do in VueJS. User ID, that's the key that we're going to use. Okay, class, I don't have any class. I just want to do simple one. Okay, let's do some maybe just display something maybe. Username. I'm going to sorry, PR. Let's close this. Okay, username maybe this one. Let's do just really quick one. Name and then maybe email. User.email. Right. Let's refresh our application. Okay, this one need to compile first. So let's look. 610 it just compiled just now, but this one still not refreshed. Let's refresh it. It's going to display. Nice compile. Oh, okay. Then something might be missing here. Users in users. Okay, maybe I need to. Okay, maybe here I need to define the property component. Okay, this is VueJS. You define the property here. Maybe the users. Okay. What else do we need? I think that's all for now. Okay, it's compiling. Let's run. Yeah, it works. So you can see that there's a looping here. So let's try create one more user. Quickly create one. Let me just register another one. Okay, let's look at our page here. Yeah, see that we have two people now here. Now let's. Okay, we're going to create a real table. So let's look and how we can clean this up. Okay, let's build this one by one first. So this is our index. We're going to have this app layout. So how are we going to organize this a bit? Okay. Hello, Firul. Thank you for liking the stream. Welcome to the stream. Okay, so let's clean this up. Okay, let's clean this into a nice table maybe. So first let me try. I have this template that I found. So let's just remove this and replace it with this template. However, there's a lot under here. They have layout, but we search filter. They also have the search filter. So I need to create few things under here. Okay, let's look back into our sample here first. Dashboard, app layout. They only have this one. So I'm still going to use my own layout. Later on I will use this one, but right now just this one. Okay, what else we have? We have icon. Oh, they have icon here. Are we going to use that one? Maybe, yeah, we can use. So let me just copy this file. I'm going to create a new one. This one under Jetstream. Maybe I can organize this a bit. Icon. They don't have icon here, so I create one new file. Sorry. Okay. So let's name this as icon.view. Shared. It's not shared, it's under Jetstream. So let's just change the folder name. Jetstream. Okay. Jetstream. This one is under layouts, right? Layouts. Yup, app layout. Map values. Oh, they're using Lodash. So I think I've. Oh, this one is to use all this. Okay. This one is using Lodash. I already import Lodash. Pick by search filter. Okay, I think they have a search filter. Okay, let's create new file. Okay. No, not going to use this shared. It's going to use Jetstream. Oh. Okay, yeah, name it search filter. Okay, as you can see that in Vue is all about components. You can see that I'm creating a component, so you can have like search button. So this is where you can reuse the component later on in your other projects. So you have like modal and all that. And there's no CSS inside here, just like classes here. So you can change the theme with having all these components already configured. So this is the beauty of VueJS. Right now, at the beginning, it looks like you have to do a lot of works. Yes. But later on it's going to be much easier. So just bear with me for the first few episodes. So icon, what else we have? Lodash, already this shared. Okay, I already have this one. So it's under Jetstream now. Jetstream. Okay, save it. Lodash. Okay, I have to check whether. Okay, we need to import Lodash, so hi Shu, welcome to the stream. Okay, let me just check. Okay, let's see whether yeah, it's still compiling, so I think should be okay, right? So let's just run it, see how it looks like. Ooh, most likely there's an error. Yeah. Error in creating hook. Layout is not defined. Layout is not defined. Layout is not defined. Where is this? Layout is not defined. Look back at our codes. Layout is not defined. Definitely not this one. So it should be under here maybe. Layout. 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 Ah, okay. Right, layout is not defined. Icon, okay. See whether it compiles. 619. Okay. Let's run again. Whoa. Cannot report the search of undefined. Okay. Yeah, we need to change a bit our controller. This is our controller. Let's add a few items under here. I think user should be okay. Okay, maybe change a bit lah. We're going to have like some filtering, so maybe something like this. Oh, let's clean this up a bit. Sorry, under here. Okay. Right, so let's try again whether cannot do property search. Let's try. Non-static should not be called statically. Okay. Okay. Request. So we're going to use the request. I think they have. Let's look at the config first. Our app provider, whether we have the facade there. App provider, where is it? Yeah, let's look at this. No, sorry. Is that the kernel? No, sorry, not kernel. Okay, try using that one. Just to request. Non-static error. Oh, the by name does not exist. Sort by. Okay. Filter must be callable on null array given on line 19. So I think this is related to the request function. So let's look at the Laravel request API. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the instance, what it returns. Only Control F, only. Get something container provider. So yeah, we can actually use this one, but what's the error again? Let's look at the error. It's saying argument 1 pass 2 collection filter must be callable on null error given. Okay, it's an empty string. So I think lah, let me just remove this first lah. Let's not do any filtering yet. Not yet. What else? To feed argument to collection get 0 pass. Users. User all. Okay. I don't need to put get actually. It's already okay. Just transform it. Mean default for file photo URL. Default. Okay. So let's look at our call here. Default profile photo. Okay. Call to undefined function. Do you mean default profile photo? You mean add models user? Okay, never mind. I just remove this one. Need to check back. I think they don't have also owner, so remove that one too. Okay, error ziggy user create is not found. Okay, we remove, or I can just create the route thing even though there's nothing there yet. Yeah, so let's add the routing for the create functionality. Just copy this line. Later on we're going to clean this up a bit because some are repeating there, so never mind. Later on we can do that. Users create control class create name users dot create. Okay, let's create another one using the post functionality. Post is to post the data using our form. Users dot create. Sorry, just post. Should just be post users, and then it's going to use the default in Laravel. We use store, so we use store. The name would going to be users dot store. So let's create this first. See whether we still face this error. Users create. Yeah. Hopefully there's. Okay. User edit. Okay. User edit. We're going to put some variable. So under users, we put something like this. So it's going to replace with the user ID. So the class here is edit. The name is users edit. Of course, if we put edit, we need to put update. So it always comes in pair. Okay, sorry, this one is get. When you have the get, that one is to display the page for editing our users, and then we need to put put is usually used for updating. Post is for creation of new users or new resources. So, edit. Okay, usually we just do shorthand like this. What else? Yeah, the name is update. Users.update. I think we covered it all. Never mind, let's run. Yeah, see? Nice. Okay, we have of course we have a lot of things to do, like yeah, we have to put the margin, but you can see that we have a now nice table. Yeah, but the filtering doesn't work yet. Never mind. At least we are somewhere now. We now have like a really useful table lah. And the beauty of VueJS, later on when we do other resources like the dependents, we can still use the same table with just a different data binding, and we can reuse back. Okay guys, so I think that's all from me. If you have any question, yeah, you can ask right now before I call it a day. So, ada soalan? Tak ada? Okay, if no question, that's all from me. I'm signing off. Again, I'm Jetstream from osprovsoftware.com. We're going to teach you on this tutorial to start a Laravel from scratch using the latest technology they have, Jetstream. So it's a scaffolding application. So yeah, if you want to see how we build it from scratch, please follow our OSPROV page and like and share this stream so that many more people can benefit from this one, especially those that just being retrenched, lost their job and don't know what to do, and thinking to pick up new skills. So yeah, this might be a good platform for them. Alright, thank you again, bye bye. Thanks from me, Jures at OSPROV.